What's going on, guys? Today we've got a new video. We're attempting to remake our track here. It's maybe getting better. We're gonna have some new features. We're adding a crossover jump since we're gonna have something come in from around that bucket, have an Ultra 4 horse go underneath that once we pile some rocks and stuff up. But we're adding a crossover jump. That's eventually going to be a tabletop at the back, attempting to make some loops, like a wall on the inside of the corner there. But yeah, this is still very much a work in progress, but since we're doing more at the channel now, I figured once we're play testing it to try and size stuff, we'll make some videos documenting this. We've got the Tenacity DB Pro and a slash hidden under our trailer there. And this nice little car hauler is what we're going to be using as our new podium to drive from. But yeah, we're going to play test this day. Maybe we'll launch a UDR over the jump later, but we'll get into driving now. Alright, here we go. I play tested this first jump very briefly, so now we can make that. That's my first time actually driving this specific car on the dirt. Coming around the back. I gotta do better to find this back straight. Give me a jump there. Come in here. And that's a lap of our new circuit. We're running this on 3S right now. You can kind of see me hitting some bumps through. That's supposed to be a whoop section. Trying to better define this back little stretch right there. That's eventually going to turn into a bigger tabletop once we get the dirt brought in. And I want to put at least one more feature somewhere in this track. So you missed the jump. I kind of want to have a single jump there or something. I want these whoops to get bigger. And then along the back straight, the main feature is going to be, I want this to be a very big tabletop along the back. And maybe put a wall or something on the outside of the stern. There we go. Getting some better laps now. It's taking me a little bit of time to try and adjust to driving this thing, since I've only ever driven this on snow and ice before. This is the first time driving anything this year when the snow is gone enough where it's still a little bit wet, but dry enough that I can start rolling out. Better define this back corner here. Get a little bit of hang time off the roller. Decent jump that time. The geese are coming back. They need to get a hunting license and figure out what I need to do to shoot them. No more honking around here. Got that corner as I cut that way too short. There's a hole there. In the ground over there somewhere that I accidentally made with the tractor, but I am just going to call a feature of the course at this point. Try again, we'll go for a hot lap this time. Turn my shooter mode up and turn it to Okay, we'll come back here and I'll probably do that. So here we go. But we'll trade over the slashes and okay, changing over to the slash 4x4 now, running on a 2-cell battery this time. Which is honestly surprising me. I thought the DB Pro would drive better, but this seems to be much easier to drive. As we're way too deep, this ESM decided to take my steering away from me. The main jump. Oh, I'm looking forward to the day when it's going to be nice out. I won't be wearing gloves and a hat, freezing my ass off trying to make videos. It'll be a nice day. That back corner there is really hard to keep track of when we're on the track, and my little roller at the back there clearly needs some work to keep it flat. I think this will pretty much cover it. This is the general idea of the track layout we have for now. I'm still open to making some changes. We're trying to this summer define a more permanent layout, get some flavors, but for now, this is the layout I think we're going to do. The top gear power lap time board with a bunch of different cars.